Hey guys, we received this Invisi MagFree Transform 3-in-1 fast wireless charging station for test and try. So this is a multi-purpose charger and it's a 3-in-1 fast wireless charging. So it's a 15-watt magnetic travel. So let's open the box and see. So first impression, very nice premium packing, and this can be also used as a gift box. So they have come with this adapter, is a fast charging wall adapter, and then this is the charger itself. So this is the cable, and let's see if there is any other thing. No. So this is the unboxing stuff. So it have a charger, wall adapter, charging cable, and then it can also be used for the Apple Watch, wireless charging, AirPods. So it can charge three devices at once. So it can charge Apple Watch, it can charge the AirPods here, and then it can also charge the wireless MagSafe charging for the iPhone. So let me put this charging cable. So USB-C charging cable here, put in the wall charger, and just test and try. So my first impression for this quality is good, as I can feel a thick bar for charging. And also, let me put the different devices here so I can show it to you. So we can charge like the Apple Watch. My Apple Watch is totally out of juice, so it will take some time, but it will start charging, and you can see that it start recognizing it. The next thing is my AirPods. So just put in here, and you see a light starting. It start charging, and then for the iPhone, we can just put it on the top here, and the MagSafe it start charging. So all the three devices are charging at the same time. So that's a pretty cool thing. And also you can use it in a different position that I will show you a little later on. But right now, these three devices are charging with a fast speed, and it's a 5-watt Apple Watch fast charger and with a 3-watt AirPod charging. For the phone is a 15-watt magnetic charging. So three multiple devices for three different wattage and the use. So here you can also change it like this way, and you can put in the AirPod in the back. You can also put the watch like this, and then you can use it by twisting it here, so that can be used directly. And then you can also use this as a stand for your iPhone, that you can directly stick your iPhone on the MagSafe charging. So it's a very nice cool feature that can hold all these three devices at once in the night. Also, you can charge and then also use it as a mobile stand where you can operate the mobile while charging. So basically, a very nice 3-in-1 fast charger, and that describes everything. Fast charging all the devices, and also with the AirPods at the 3-watt, watch at the 5-watt, and then iPhone at the 15-watt. So all your Apple devices can be charged at once with this 3-in-1 charger. So very nice, cool feature for this.